Hi everyone, and this is really a very bittersweet time. I want to wish all of you the very best. I want to thank you for all of your diligent work in this course, and I know that this is an unprecedented and challenging time for all of you. So please accept my sincere thanks for everything that you've done within this course and have really propelled and done a tremendous job in making this course a very valuable experience for each and every one of you. So thank you for that. We really have done a complex array of DNP competencies through this course. We touched on many of the aspects that you've actually encased within many of your different classes, and we brought all of those thoughts together as we were applying those thoughts to population health. And with that being said, I want you to really think long and hard about the DNP nurse's role and how each of you have a role and an opportunity to change healthcare. And think about population health as being one of those inherent parts of making the changes in healthcare to improve those outcomes for whomever you may serve, and consider population health as one of those factors that you can integrate wherever you happen to practice as well. And with that being said, you have the skills and the expertise through this course to really elevate change and impact those outcomes. And I really hope that many of you do operationalize your particular projects, and there are great potential opportunities for those projects as well. And let me know if I can assist you in bringing those projects to life as well. So the other thing I want to really hone in on is the fact that population health principles really translate well to leadership and life skills. And when we think about some of the concepts such as upstream thinking, developing shared vision, mutual benefit, all of those factors are inherent to where we need to be in our leadership practice in healthcare. And we need to focus on empowering folks to be to elevate their own outcomes and to set the stage or the culture for those folks to thrive, whether it would be our staff, our employees, our colleagues, or those that we serve as patients. We've applied so many different principles through the course. It's hard to really encapsulate everything within this video, but just always remember that you have the opportunity to really impact. You have the skills to make a difference, and with all the competencies that you've put in your toolbox, so to speak, through the DNP program will help you to be the change within your locus of control. And always remember that we need to look beyond the walls of our institutions and really look at the context of the care continuum and how each facet impacts outcomes. How outside our walls actually impacts what happens inside our walls in different facilities. And always remember to do with, not to or for, when we're looking at examining population health skills, when we're looking at populations, when we're looking at partnering with communities, is we need to be partners with them versus our paternalistic stance of doing to folks what we think they need to do. We need to really listen and walk side by side with those that we serve. So with that being said, thank you. This has been a true pleasure to join you with this journey, and I have the absolute best position where I'm able to meet you in the beginning and work with you very early on in your DNP coursework, and I have the opportunity to see how much you have blossomed and grown. And I want you to remember that this is just the beginning. This is the beginning of wonderful futures for each of you, and I do hope that you do keep in contact and let us know how you're doing and what you're doing, and always let us know if we can assist you in your future as well. So I look forward to hearing more about your projects in the next semester. And with that being said, celebrate. Celebrate this milestone of completing all of the formal courses within the DNP program. Take some very deliberate time to reflect, as well as have some downtime. And most of all, please stay safe and healthy. Take care now. Bye-bye.